In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see people's bag in Depop 2026. This is a quick way to gauge interest on a listing by checking how many shoppers have added that item to their bag, sometimes shown as in X bags. It's handy for spotting trending pieces and deciding how fast you might want to act. Start by heading to Depop, either at depop.com in your browser or through the Depop app on your phone. Once you land on the homepage, you'll see the usual feed of items, curated pics, and search at the top. You don't need to change any settings for this. Everything you need appears right on the listing page itself. Take a moment to browse. You can scroll the feed, tap Explore, or use the search bar to narrow things down by brand, size, or style. Filters can help if you're hunting for something specific, but they're optional. The goal is simply to open a product page so you can view its details. When something catches your eye, open the item by clicking or tapping it. That brings you into the product's detail page, where the most important information is grouped near the top. Photos, price, size, description, shipping, and the engagement indicators. Now look toward the top section of the listing, near the like or save controls. This is where Depop shows bag interest. You may see a small bag icon or text that reads something like in X bags. That number reflects how many shoppers currently have the item sitting in their bag. It's a live signal of demand, not a purchase count, and it can change throughout the day as people add or remove the item. If you don't immediately see it, scroll just a touch to keep the header and the main details in view. On some screens it sits close to the price and action buttons. On others it appears right under the photos. If it still doesn't appear, two quick notes: some categories show it more prominently than others, and app or region variations can shift where it's displayed. Checking on both the app and the website can help you spot it. Use this info to your advantage. A higher bag count often means stronger competition, so consider moving quickly if it's something you truly want. You can also favorite the item to keep track of it, and check back to see if interest changes over time. That's all there is to it. Open Depop, browse to a listing you like, and look at the top of the product page for the bag count. It's a simple cue that helps you shop smarter and faster on Depop.